welcome back to our G80 fitting videos. We are today going to fit the CT Design splitter, which I have here. This is full pre-preg carbon. As you can, the best way kind of to tell is if you look on the inside, you can see the weave, and also, I mean, it's really light and really strong, just like the OEM stuff. But obviously, it is our own design. To do this, obviously, you can see it goes here. It replaces all of the original kind of gloss black stuff. Best way to fit this is you have to take the front bumper off, mainly because if you have a look on the inside here, there is a bolt. Come around here and have a look. There's a bolt which is just inside there. You can't really get to it. I mean, you can push it a bit, but to do it properly, you have to take that off, take the whole bumper off. So yeah, we'll get started. So we've got the bumper off now, we've got it on our thing to stop it being damaged. The main reason we took it off, as I mentioned earlier, is to get these bolts here, and it obviously once it's off, you have a bit more play to be able to get in there. So now we've got the bumper and these parts off, we've got the new splitter here. You need to remember to take the screw bits off of the old splitter, and then what we'll do is we'll replace those. They'll go on here, so when you screw it in, it just kind of screws straight in there like that. So we'll mount it on the side bits and you screw it in exactly the same holes as OEM. Okay, so we fit the splitter, we've stuck on the front bits as well, here, and then what we'll do is we'll put the bumper back on, and then the screws go through here, just through the OEM holes as well. One thing I will recommend is if you're planning on changing the vents like we have, is it's worth doing at the same time, because if you have a look on the back, to change them, you have to pull all of this plastic off here, and then they kind of go in there. So yeah, it's just one thing to think about instead of taking the bumper off twice. But yeah, we'll get this back on, and then we'll see how it looks. So we've got the bumper on and obviously splitters in place. We've done the original bolts on the side bits here, as you'll be able to see, but the 4 in the middle, you'll have to use the screws which we send you, just because the way the splitter is, it's a bit too long for the original screws, so we just use 4 of these, screw it in, and then yeah, that's pretty much it done. that's splitter fitted. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you want to see more videos on how to fit any of our parts, then just click subscribe. Also, if you want any of these carbon fibre bits we got fitted to this, so like the intakes, or the splitter, or any other G80 bits, just click in the description.